so today we're at Colton Hanker's house, right?
That's right, you got it.
Alright, so, I almost died at Tempest, but we're here basically in heaven right now for me. But, so what do you do?
Rocco is on my new 450. I invited Rocco out to come ride with me. I've been checking out his videos for a while now. I love what he does, and I thought I could bring him out here to do some dirt bike riding with me. I'm a 2016 Endurocross World and American National Champion, and this is my playground.
I like this playground more than school. I'm sitting on a Husqvarna 450.
2017, brand new, never even been ridden.
Brand new.
Oh wow.
Dang.
He's got the number 10. We hooked him up with some fly gear. Got his name on the back.
Let's check this out.
To match me.
Dang.
We're twinsies today, and I'm rocking the number 1 plate. He's rocking the number 10. We're gonna go have some fun today.
Oh my God. You know you're lucky when you got a rock driveway. Like, that's just like, you're cool. What up?
How you doing, dude?
Good.
Good to see you,
I
man.
know.
What happened to the Mohawk? You just got to the side today.
Yeah.
You're just like side hawking it.
Yeah,
How are
let
you?
me get out. So this is the snow bike.
That's the snow bike, dude.
So this,
This
everyone,
is what it looks like.
this is what a real snow bike looks like.
See the ski on the front, the big long track in the back, so you can just ride up in the powder.
I think this is what heaven looks like. I don't know.
So this is the new, like, ski bikes that are coming out.
I know, I've so many.
Oh my God.
There's mountain bikes, dirt bikes.
Is this real life right now? Like,
That bike up there, trophy.
oh my God, Lordy gracious. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's pretty excited.
What is it? I can't finish any word. Oh my God.
So this is the Endurocross track they're building, and then the motocross track goes all around it.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah.
With the
Jeez.
sun. I'll ride a few sections for you.
Yeah.
Can you handle walking more of the track?
I don't know. Back when I pass out.
Might have a heart attack. How happy you're getting. Is someone speechless? It never ends.
Oh, what's even really cool, Rocco, is
Oh my
once we
God.
ride this a couple times, all out around my house, it's just open riding.
Ooh.
All open trail riding.
I want to see you go over those tires, Rocco. Right here.
That'd be crazy, huh?
I want to see you go over those.
We'll like set it up better. He's ready.
He's ready to
Let's
ride.
go unload your bike. Are you gonna go unload your bike? That's your surprise right there.
Your surprise is the box. No, that's your surprise, the box.
That's your surprise, the box.
Yes!
Yeah, dude.
No!
Jeez. What?
Oh yeah, show her. What did you get? It's pretty sweet.
Dang.
Face says it
How
all.
nice is that? That is so nice.
Red, white, and blue gear, just like you wanted.
Like a little girl.
Alright, I need to get my bike on.
Alright, dude, high five. High five real fast.
What do you
Okay,
say,
okay,
Rock?
I'll
Over
see
here,
you.
over here.
Alright, dude, later. Ready? High five. Hit your bike. Let's go.
Aw, twinsies.
Twinsies!
That's awesome.
There we go. And we can match today.
That is so cool.
I need to remember to get these gloves off.
It's like we're seeing double, guys. Oh my gosh.
That's how you do it though.
All right, give it a shot.
Go for it.
Oh!
I gave him that little bit of tip. I said, hey man, you don't really need to use the clutch very much as long as you're a little throttle.
Oh!
Yes! Let's go! Come on! Get back on your bike! You're gonna lose the race!
Is it flashing red?
Yep, we're on. We're live. The Rocco Piazza vlog channel.
That's sweet.
You want to go out? Like go out there? What?
This track's fun?
Yeah. I heard you had, like, there's like stuff out there.
Yeah.
What?
There's like all open riding out here. We can go ride. It'll be probably more fun for him. Rocco's been getting super enduro today. He's like taking out of my footsteps. He really wants to hit these tires. He's the first one to hit the new tire section of my house. So he's ready to go. Might be the first 50 to ever go over like big tires on a enduro cross track. World's first, I think.